Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to cook Chinese water spinach, and we're going to blanch this for 30 seconds. And of course we're going to prepare some boiled water, add a little bit of salt and oil. So we're going to drain it, put in a pan on our plate, and add the sauce that we prepared. By the way guys, the sauce I made it as I mixed garlic and dried chilies, add some sizzling oil, and add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, mix it well, and there you go. It's so yummy and healthy. So thank you for watching guys. Bye.